Welcome to today's lesson on bacterial diseases. In this session, we will focus on the specific examples of bacterial pathogens, Salmonella and Gonorrhoea. In our lesson today, we will explore what makes bacteria unique, how they cause disease as well as the symptoms they produce, and ways to prevent and treat infections that are caused by bacteria. So far, you have learned that pathogens cause communicable diseases and discovered the various ways by which they are spread. You have also just completed lessons on viral and fungal diseases, enhancing your understanding of how different pathogens operate and affect human health. This foundational knowledge allows us to introduce bacterial pathogens, specifically Salmonella and Gonorrhoea. Exploring these bacterial infections will help us to comprehend their impact on public health, as well as the significance of the measures that are used to control their spread. Bacteria are microscopic single-celled organisms that can be found pretty much everywhere. Many bacteria are harmless. Some are beneficial to us, such as those in our gut that aid digestion. However, some bacteria are harmful and can cause disease. These harmful bacteria are known as bacterial pathogens. Bacterial pathogens can reproduce rapidly in ideal conditions, such as inside a host. Bacterial pathogens cause disease in several ways, primarily by producing toxins that damage tissues and cells. This is what makes us feel ill when we get a bacterial infection. Some bacterial pathogens invade and multiply within host cells. Others may reside in body areas like the bloodstream or digestive tract. Let's focus on two specific examples, Salmonella and Gonorrhoea. Salmonella infection is a common cause of food poisoning. Salmonella is often spread by eating contaminated foods, especially meats, eggs, and dairy products that haven't been cooked properly. When they are infected with Salmonella, individuals typically experience food poisoning symptoms, such as fever, abdominal cramps, vomiting, and diarrhea. Prevention of Salmonella infection can be achieved via a variety of pathways. For example, one method of Salmonella prevention is found in the vaccination of livestock. In the UK, for example, most poultry are vaccinated against Salmonella to reduce the risk of contamination. It is also crucial to wash our hands and kitchen surfaces thoroughly, especially after handling raw meat, in order that we might avoid Salmonella infection. Moreover, ensuring the proper cooking of food will also kill the bacteria. Gonorrhoea is a sexually transmitted infection. Gonorrhoea is spread through unprotected sexual contact with an infected person. People with gonorrhoea may experience symptoms such as pain when urinating, and a thick green or yellow discharge from the vagina or penis. Treatment and prevention of gonorrhoea can also include a plethora of different examples. Primarily, there is the use of antibiotic medicines. Gonorrhoea can be treated with antibiotics, but many strains have developed resistance to commonly used antibiotics, such as penicillin, thus making treatment more challenging. Secondly, barrier methods can be utilized. Using barrier methods of contraception, such as condoms, are an effective way to prevent the spread of gonorrhoea. In today's lesson, we focused on two significant examples of bacterial pathogens, Salmonella and Gonorrhoea. We also revised the general characteristics of bacterial diseases, acknowledging that bacteria are single-celled organisms that can cause various infections by reproducing rapidly both inside and outside cells and releasing toxins.